The idea that you must spend an entire hour in the gym to get a real workout is one of the biggest fitness myths that still exists today. Walk into any gym and you will see people spending 60 minutes or more lifting weights, scrolling on their phones between sets, or slowly walking on a treadmill. But here is the surprising truth that modern fitness science has been quietly proving again and again. A focused 15-minute workout at home can deliver results that rival or even outperform a long gym session. It sounds almost too good to be true. 15 minutes, no expensive equipment, no commute to the gym, no waiting for machines, just you, your body, and a short burst of intense movement. But there is a catch. Most people who try to work out at home fail because they approach it the wrong way. They move too slowly, they rest too much, or they choose exercises that do not activate enough muscles at once. The real secret behind a powerful 15-minute workout is efficiency. You must use movements that force your entire body to work at the same time while keeping your heart rate elevated. And when you do that correctly, something interesting happens inside your body. Your metabolism spikes. Your muscles are activated from head to toe. Your heart works harder in a shorter period of time. And your body continues burning calories long after the workout ends. That phenomenon is known as the afterburn effect, and it is the reason short, high-intensity workouts are becoming so popular among athletes, trainers, and busy professionals. Now imagine this: instead of spending 1 hour in traffic, another hour at the gym, and then returning home exhausted, you clear a small space in your living room, set a timer for 15 minutes, and finish a full-body workout before most people have even found their parking spot at the gym. Sounds interesting, does it not? Before we dive into the routine, there is something important to understand about how the body responds to exercise. Traditional gym workouts often isolate muscles. One day is chest day. Another day is leg day. Another day is arms. While that method works, it also requires long sessions and multiple gym visits every week. A short home workout works differently. It focuses on compound movements. These are exercises that activate many muscle groups at the same time. When your legs, core, and upper body are all working together, your body burns more energy and builds strength more efficiently. Think about movements like squats, push-ups, lunges, and burpees. These exercises force multiple joints and muscles to coordinate at once. That means more muscles working, more calories burned, and more strength developed in less time. And here is something else that most people do not realize. The intensity of your workout matters more than the duration. A slow 60-minute session where your heart rate barely rises will not challenge your body the same way as 15 minutes of focused, high-intensity movement. When your heart rate increases and your muscles are pushed close to fatigue, your body adapts faster. That adaptation is where the real transformation happens. Your cardiovascular system becomes stronger. Your muscles become more efficient. Your metabolism becomes faster. Now let us talk about the 15-minute workout that has been gaining attention in the fitness world. The structure is simple but powerful. The entire workout is divided into short intervals where you push your body hard for a brief period, followed by a small recovery window. This format is commonly known as high-intensity interval training, or HIIT. But do not worry. You do not need to be an athlete to try it. The exercises can be adjusted for beginners or advanced levels, which makes it one of the most flexible workout methods available. Picture this moment for a second. You wake up in the morning. You are still a little sleepy. The idea of driving to the gym feels exhausting. But instead of skipping exercise entirely, You start a 15-minute timer. The first movement begins. Your heart rate slowly climbs. Your muscles begin to warm up. Within a few minutes, your entire body feels alive, and suddenly, something surprising happens. You realize you are working harder than you expected. That is when the real magic of short workouts starts to show. One of the most effective exercises to begin the routine is the bodyweight squat. It may look simple, but it activates some of the largest muscles in your body, including the quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Because these muscles are large, they require more energy to move, which means your body burns more calories. As you move up and down through the squat motion, your core stabilizes your torso while your legs generate power. Even your back muscles help maintain posture. Within seconds, your breathing becomes deeper. Now imagine following that movement with push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most underrated exercises in fitness. They train the chest, shoulders, triceps, and core simultaneously. When performed correctly, they also challenge the stabilizing muscles around your spine. At this point in the workout, your upper body is working while your lower body recovers slightly, but the rest period is short, very short. And just when you feel ready to relax, the next movement begins. Lunges. Few exercises develop lower body strength and balance as effectively as lunges. Each step forward forces your legs to support your entire body weight while your core works to keep you stable. And this is where the workout starts to feel real. Your breathing becomes heavier. Your muscles begin to burn. Sweat starts forming on your forehead. If you are following along mentally right now, you might already be wondering something. Can 15 minutes really be enough to challenge the body? The answer becomes clear around the middle of the workout, because that is when explosive movements enter the routine. Movements like jump squats or high knees instantly elevate your heart rate. Your body shifts from simple strength to power and endurance. These exercises recruit fast twitch muscle fibers, which are responsible for speed and explosive energy. Athletes train these fibers constantly because they are critical for performance, and when regular people train them through short, intense bursts, something powerful happens. Your body begins to behave more like an athlete. Your coordination improves. Your stamina increases. Your muscles respond faster. Right around this moment in the workout, you may start thinking something interesting. This feels harder than a slow hour on a treadmill. That realization is exactly the point. Short workouts remove wasted time. Every second counts. Every movement has purpose. But here is the most fascinating part. The workout is not finished yet. As your body begins to feel fatigue, the final phase of the 15-minute routine focuses on your core. Plank variations are incredibly effective because they train the deep, stabilizing muscles of the abdomen and lower back. These muscles are responsible for posture, balance, and injury prevention. Holding a plank might look simple from the outside, but after several minutes of intense exercise, it becomes a serious challenge. Your shoulders shake, your abdominal muscles tighten, your breathing becomes controlled and focused, and then something unexpected happens. The timer rings. 15 minutes are over. No commute, no equipment, no gym membership. Just 15 minutes of movement that pushed your entire body to work harder than most traditional workouts. Now here is the part that surprises many people. Your body does not stop burning calories when the workout ends. Because of the intensity, your metabolism remains elevated for hours. Your muscles require energy to repair and recover. Your heart and lungs continue working harder than normal as your body returns to a resting state. That means your 15-minute workout continues delivering benefits long after you have finished. Fitness experts call this metabolic disturbance. Your body must use additional energy to restore balance after intense activity. It is almost like your body keeps exercising behind the scenes. But let us pause for a moment and address something many people are thinking right now. Is 15 minutes really enough to build strength and improve fitness over time? The answer depends on consistency. Doing this workout once will not transform your body, but repeating it 4 or 5 times each week can lead to noticeable improvements in strength, endurance, and energy levels. And the biggest advantage of short workouts is adherence. People often quit long fitness programs because they feel overwhelming. Driving to the gym, finding time in a busy schedule, and staying motivated for hour-long sessions can be difficult, but 15 minutes feels manageable. It is short enough to fit into almost any day: morning before work, afternoon break, evening before dinner. That flexibility is one of the biggest reasons home workouts have exploded in popularity over the past few years. Another interesting benefit appears after several weeks of consistent training. Your body becomes more efficient at performing everyday movements. Walking upstairs feels easier. Carrying groceries feels lighter. Even posture improves because your core muscles become stronger. These changes might seem small at first, but they add up quickly. And then there is the mental benefit. Short, intense workouts release endorphins, the natural chemicals that improve mood and reduce stress. Many people report feeling more focused, energized, and mentally clear after finishing a quick workout. It becomes a reset button for the brain. Now imagine doing that every day. 15 minutes that strengthen your body, sharpen your mind, and improve your health, all without stepping into a crowded gym. And the best part is that this style of training can evolve with you. As your strength improves, the exercises can become more challenging. Squats can become jump squats. Push-ups can become decline push-ups. Planks can transform into dynamic core movements. Your body continues adapting. Your fitness continues improving, all within the same 15-minute window. So the next time someone says they do not have time to exercise, remember this simple idea. The problem is rarely time. The problem is usually efficiency. When every movement matters and every minute counts, 15 minutes can replace an entire hour. And sometimes the most powerful transformation begins with something incredibly simple: a timer, a small space on the floor, and the decision to start moving.